Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Wednesday live session. Well, it's around 12:15 now. We are about 3 hours into the trade, and we have had a very good opening session. You can see here, this is the chart of Nifty from Monday evening's low of 17,886 all of yesterday, and today also it has been in one-sided movement. Very good up move in the last 2 days, almost probably 300 points movement on Nifty chart itself. So currently also trading at the day's high, has opened at around 18,071, just about yesterday's close level. From there on it has gone up to 18,213 and now trading at 18,200. Bank Nifty also is no different. From the highs of 42,805 day before yesterday, that was a Monday morning opening high of 42,805, all the way it came down to 41,972 yesterday by afternoon session. So almost after 1000 points correction in 2 days, yesterday itself it started showing some recovery and it closed well towards the day's high, and today also it has been opened at around 42,200 but went as high as 42,610, currently trading at 42,530. So both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty both are doing exceedingly well today. There has been good momentum in Nifty stocks at least. Bank Nifty also is not much far behind, though the buying levels are currently placed at 42,800. We might enter into the Bank Nifty maybe little early only, provided there will be some more corrections. So this is with respect to Bank Nifty chart. Yep. So here we are with Bank Nifty chart, currently trading at 42,550. It has made a high of 42,610, and if it comes down a little bit, maybe we might get a new revised buying level at 42,610 itself. Currently Bank Nifty's buying is at around 42,805 as well as 41,972. And Nifty also, on the settlement chart yesterday itself there was a buying. Towards the end of the day there was a buying on Nifty weekly settlement chart. The buying was at 18,097 and from there on it has already gained 100 points. So this settlement you can have 18,100 as the base or the support. Tomorrow is the weekly settlement, and probably Nifty will close above 18,100. Yesterday it has given a breakout buying at 18,100 levels. From there on, it is from the morning session for last 3 hours it has been continuously going up. So this is currently trading at 18,201. In case anybody wanting to take positions on the weekly settlement, tomorrow is the expiry, you can be on the long side. If you have to enter the calls, then you have to enter deep in the money calls, or you can go in short of 18,100 put. So that will be the support for you. 18,100 put is currently trading at, let me just check the 18,100 put. $18,100 put is available currently at 34.75, which means if you can go short in 18,100 put, 18,100 will act as the support for this week's settlement, that is at least until tomorrow evening. So until tomorrow evening we don't see Nifty breaking below 18,100. So you can take that as a support level, and from there on you can go short in puts, so that you will be able to get some premium of 35 rupees into your pocket. So this is the chart of Nifty settlement chart. Let us see Bank Nifty settlement chart. So as of now there is no trade available in Bank Nifty for this week. Probably tomorrow it might give us some good entry levels for one day purpose. This is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. Has made a high of 42,805, that was Monday morning, opening candle high of 42,805. From there on it came down all the way to 41,972, and now again it started going up. So this is with respect to the Bank Nifty's weekly settlement chart. Let us quickly go through some of the intraday charts for the day. Let us see what's happening in Bharti Airtel. Had a resistance at 773, it has broken the resistance of 773 and now trading at 776. Watch out for Bharti Airtel. Let us see BPCL has opened at around 349 levels. From there on has come down to 344 and currently trading at 346. Let us see Canara Bank, also showing a buy at 322. 322 happens to be the opening candle high. So if you again see Canara Bank trading above 322, you can go long in Canara Bank. This is the chart of Dabur, currently trading at 557. Dabur is in an uptrend, has been moving well for last 2 days. Monday low was around 544. From there on it has been showing good uptrend. This is Deepak Nitrate. From the highs of 1969 came all the way down to 1921 yesterday, and from yesterday afternoon session onwards most of the stocks are actually doing well. This is the chart of Divi's Lab, going well, has made a high of 3383 and now trading at 3370. Let us see Axis Bank, quoting at 922, has made a high of 925. From the highs of 943 has fallen up to 910, that was yesterday afternoon session. From there on it has been attempting the pullback and has come up to 925. Bank of Baroda from the highs of 188 has fallen up to 179 yesterday. It tried to make a pullback, but once again it has fallen, and probably it has a support at 179.55. If Nifty as well as Bank Nifty starts doing well, then this also might start going higher from this level onwards. Let us see HDFC Bank, currently trading at 1638, has made a high of 1641 from the lows of 1586, has come up to 1641, which means HDFC Bank has taken out the Monday morning high. Monday morning high was around 1622. Most of the banking stocks had a Monday morning high, and from there on most of the banking stocks had fallen, and Bank Nifty had fallen about 1000 points. It is still on the recovery path. It is still 200 points away from the Monday morning high, but HDFC Bank had made a high of 1622 on the opening, and it came up to 1586, and from there on the recovery is good and it has crossed 1622, and this stock might hold the market on the upside for some more time. This is Reliance. Well, this Reliance also was doing well yesterday, had made a high of 2487, and today it opened around 2469 levels. From there on it has been consistently going up. Good chart, most of the charts are doing well today. SBI, not much happening there. From the Monday morning highs of 607 has fallen up to 588. From 588 there has been a recovery attempt. It just recovered only up to 598, but very quickly has given up. Even though banking stocks are doing well today, unfortunately SBI is not doing that well. Probably most of the PSU banks are not doing well, but the private banks are doing well today. You can see the chart of Kotak Bank has gone up to 1829, opened at 1802, and continuously went up to 1830, which is about 30 rupees movement since morning session, and now has given up about 50%. So this is the stock which is around 50% retracement. From here on, any stock which retraces for more than 15%, 50%, then you should be sure it might again go further down. So do not take stocks which have corrected more than 50% from the highs. Whenever you see a high of say 18, this is the from the 30 rupees up move, it has already given up 15 rupees from the up move. So which means this stock is around the retracement of about 50%. So with this kind of a retracement, you should be sure to little bit be skeptical about entering into the long trade in these kind of stocks. This is the chart of Kotak Bank. Tata Steel continuously doing well of late. So opened at around 121 levels, has seen a opening candle breakout, and from there on it has been, all the candles are in good shape with good size in green, and volumes are also decent. This is the chart of TCS. After the results it had fallen on that day, but from there on it is again doing well. We remember on the results day TCS had made this candle at high of 3515 and came down and closed low on that day. From there on it has been continuously going up. Let us see the chart of Infosys. 1548 on the daily chart. Tech Mahindra also trading well. From the lows of 987 has pulled up about 70 to 80 bucks, currently trading at 1052. Tata Motors 410 has made a high of 421. Bank Nifty trading at 42,575 on the daily chart. Let us see the intraday chart. Well, closing has recently made a high of 42,611 and is trading towards the day's high. For last 4 candles, which is about last 1 hour, it is hovering towards the day's high. If it consolidates here and again breaks 42,611, then you can trade on the long side. Definitely it will take out 42,805 and start going higher. So this is with respect to today's stock analysis. In case you are liking the content on Banao Bharat, do subscribe to the channel and share the content with fellow traders. In case you have any queries on any particular stocks that are being traded in F&O, you can write in the chat box so that we will give you exact entry levels or stop losses or targets for any of the stocks that you have in your mind. We are doing a 15-minute session and we are seeing about 10 stocks here for intraday analysis. But if your stock is not covered, we are not covering. There are about 140 to 150 F&O stocks. We are covering about 10 stocks every day. In case you have any stock details which you want to know, which we have not covered today, and then if you want to know the exact levels of entry or exit, then you can ping us. We will be happy to help you. Well, we will again meet up with the one more expiry session tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.